Seedance 2.0 generates cinematic video from any input. Production-ready workflows convert ideas, images, and prompts into high-quality AI-generated videos. The dashboard provides ready-to-use workflows for different production needs. Open Shot Design Studio. Enter your email and define the shot in detail. Specify camera angle, mood, color, and subject to control output quality. Submit the request. The system queues and processes it automatically. The final video is delivered to your email. The backend pipeline manages prompt sanitization, generation, polling, metadata extraction, review ticketing, and delivery. Error handling and notifications ensure reliability. After processing, the system attaches the final video to an automated email and sends it to the requester. No manual intervention required. Seedance 2.0 operates as a complete production pipeline. From concept to cinematic output, execution is fully automated.